Hello everyone, I hope that you are very healthy. Students, we will begin our topic of today from a thought, that is, great things never come from comfort zone. Great things never come from comfort zone or comfortable zone. It means if you want to being a great person, अगर आप एक ग्रेट पर्सन बनना चाहते हैं तो ग्रेट पर्सन आराम करके नहीं बन पाएंगे. यू हैव टू स्ट्रगल इन योर लाइफ. यू हैव टू फेस so much struggle. Thereafter you would be able to be a great person. उसके बाद में एक ग्रेट पर्सन बन जाए. ओके, सो दैट इज वेरी क्लियर. ग्रेट थिंग्स नेवर कम फ्रॉम कंफर्टेबल जोन, राइट. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट अवर टॉपिक नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया. व्हाट एवर पीपल स्टडीइंग यस्टरडे, टुडे वी विल स्टडी डिफरिंग स्ट्रैंड्स विद इन द मूवमेंट. इट मीन्स differing strands. The people and different community of India, they were feeling or having a different aspirations. हमारी aspirations different होती हैं. Whatever we are willing to do in our future, according to which we are thinking and what we have to achieve in coming future, what we have to be a person. These are the things having a different kinds of aspirations. So in our India, the society of India also, they were thinking, having a lot of aspirations. It means varieties in the aspirations. Before it we studied the First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement, idea of Satyagraha and the Rowlatt Act, right? But today we are going to study differing strands within the movement, in which first we study the movement in the towns area. In what way the people who were living in the towns area, they were feeling and they were thinking what they will get the achievement after participation in the movement, either the non-cooperation movement or the idea of Satyagraha. So many communities of India, they were feeling to join non-cooperation movement and how much it is advantageous for us. Thereafter they joined it. लोगों ने सोचा कि हमारे लिए कितना आरामदायक है, कितना एडवांटेजियस है, तो हम इसको ज्वाइन करें. If their advantages, if they were not hoping to complete their aspirations, they didn't join it. तो लोगों ने इसको ज्वाइन नहीं किया. It means everyone seeking his her goal, everyone was seeking his her objective, his her aspirations, right? So in this movement in the towns area, according to the aspirations in the different part or villages or regions of the India, they participated in non-cooperation movement. Most of the persons, those were the middle class persons or the professionals, peasants, lawyer, teacher, doctor, student, artisans, traders, they participated in this movement, that was the non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement was started in 1920. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. So these were the community who participated in this movement and hoping their different aspirations. Lawyer, teacher, doctor, professionals and service holder, they demonstrated against British government and they boycotted their jobs, their college, their schools, their product, they boycotted. Also so many closed of liquor shop. The liquor shop, it means wine shop, were closed down. And the product of British burnt fire on a place. So many things, so many ways to boycott the product of British on England. So it was the situation in our country at the time of non-cooperation movement was started in 1920. These were the methods to demonstrate. So many persons they were just joining the service in institution of British government. They discharged, they resigned. सभी ने अपनी जॉब को रिजाइन कर दिया था and boycotted the product whatever they were using made by British. And government of India was not able to replace the British goods during that time. It was the difficulty before the Indian people, and that's why at least ultimately most of the people they started to use British goods because of most of the poor people and middle class people, they were not able to use the Indian goods because of khadi product, khadi clothes. It was very expensive. Indian people were not able to purchase expensive item, khadi made clothing, right? That's why the Indian people started to use to purchase the clothing made in Britain, made in England. It was the situation before the middle class people. Thereafter we will study in this chapter whatever we are studying. Second one, rebellion in the countryside. Okay, rebellion in the countryside. Rebellion in the countryside area. In what way? Most of the revolts or demonstration could be seen in the countryside area. Countryside area में किस तरह से ये देखने को मिला है, मूवमेंट देखने को मिला है. Okay, countryside area also most of the people who were living in the villages just they demonstrated and boycotted the goods which was made in Britain. Mostly in the tribal societies in the Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. They were the rebellions and agents of the tribal societies. They boycotted the product because of the customary right of the tribal societies was denied by British government. They were interrupted. They were not allowed to use the resources from forested area. फॉरेस्टेड एरिया से जो रिसोर्सेज होते हैं उनको रोक दिया गया था. फॉरेस्ट लॉ वाज फॉर्म्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट बाय विच नो वन कैन एंटर इन फॉरेस्टेड एरिया टू यूज द फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज, टू कलेक्ट फ्यूल, टू यूज अदर रिसोर्सेज, एंड कंप्लीटली द लाइफ ऑफ ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज वाज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द फॉरेस्टेड रिसोर्सेज, फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज. तो पूरी तरह से फॉरेस्ट पर उनकी लाइफ डिपेंड कर रही थी और उनकी कस्टमरी राइट्स को छीन लिया गया था बाय द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. इट वाज द रीजन इन द ब्रिटिश इन द कंट्री साइड एरिया टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट, राइट. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द रेबेलियंस कैन बी सीन फ्रॉम द ट्राइबल सोसाइटीज. ट्राइबल सोसाइटी से भी बहुत सारे ऐसे रेबेलियंस देखे गए थे. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द लेबरर्स हु वर वर्किंग इन द फैक्ट्री, laborers who were working in the farms of talukadar, landlords, money lenders, also they left the field of landlords. After agitation among the society of India, they started to attack on the houses and stocks of money lenders, of the landlords, of the talukadars in our country, in the countryside area. This was the situation. It means wherever they found the houses of landlords, they invaded, they attacked and plundered all the things whatever they found. और जो कुछ भी उनके घरों पर उन्होंने पाया उसको प्लंडर किया. And one more thing, that was the begar. Most of the people from the community of laborer or the poor section of society, they were doing begar in the houses of लैंडलॉर्ड्स. लैंडलॉर्ड के घरों में जाकर के वो बेगार कर रहे थे. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बेगार? विदाउट पेड, विदाउट पेड वर्क. सो बेगार इज नॉट विदाउट पेड वर्क. विदाउट पेड वर्क को बेगार कहा जाता है. सो इट वाज द सर्वडम, it was the situation before the poor people, before the laborer who were working in the field of talukadars, money lenders or landlords, and other professionals, other helpers like washermen, barber. They left to go in the houses, in the home of landlords to give service there. उनको जो भी सर्विस दे रहा था, उनके घर वाशरमैन जा रहा था, उनके घर बार्बर जा रहा था, उनको सर्विस देने के लिए, हेल्प करने के लिए, also they resigned, also they left the homes and services of talukadar, services of landlords. Meanwhile, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru organized a Kisan Sabha, it means Awadh Kisan Sabha. P.T. Nehru ने अवध किसान सभा को ऑर्गेनाइज किया when he traveled into the countryside area of Bihar, into the countryside area of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So that is the Awadh Kisan Sabha. He organized a Kisan Sabha, Awadh Kisan Sabha, because of demonstration and movement. It could be seen in the Bihar, mostly in Bihar and East Uttar Pradesh. Most of the peoples, they were just facing the problem to not to grow cereal crops like wheat and rice. They were forced to grow indigo, whatever needed to the British government in the industry of England or London. जिनको आवश्यकता थी इंडिगो की टू डाई द कलर, टू डाई द क्लॉथ्स, कलर द क्लॉथ्स को कलर करने के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट थी और उसी को वो कर रहे थे. इसलिए वहाँ पर बहुत सारे जो पीपल थे, इट मीन्स लेबरर्स एंड पीजेंट्स, दे वर फोर्स्ड टू ग्रो इन ओनली द क्रॉप इंडिगो. इंडिगो उगाने के लिए कहा जा रहा था. सो जवाहरलाल नेहरू ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अवध किसान सभा टू विजिट इन अवध रीजन ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश के अवध रीजन में जाकर के. एंड ऑल्सो another personality, great personality, it was Ramchandra. It means Baba Ramchandra. Baba Ramchandra. It means he organized Awadh Kisan Sabha with Baba Ramchandra. बाबा रामचंद्र के साथ में जाकर के जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने वहाँ पर मीटिंग की. वहाँ पर दे हर्ड द ग्रीवेंसेस ऑफ द पीपल इन अवध रीजन. अवध रीजन के लोगों को जाकर के वहाँ पर बातों को सुना, वहाँ ग्रीवेंसेस को सुना, वहाँ प्रॉब्लम को सुना, और जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने अवध किसान सभा को ऑर्गेनाइज कर दिया. सो आफ्टर दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स हु वर लेबरर एंड पीजेंट्स, दे वर वेरी एग्रेसिव अगेंस्ट ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. They invaded and plundered the harvested crops that was kept in the houses and stock of the landlords. It was the situation in the countryside area, and they boycotted and they disfollowed the rules and regulations of British government and refused to grow indigo. It was the situation in Awadh region of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So next topic we will study other tribal societies person, very great personality, Alluri Sitaram Raju. It means Sitaram Raju. He was known incarnation of God. सीताराम राजू को गॉड का ही अवतार कहा जाता था. Most of the tribal society people, they were worshipping Sitaram Raju because just they predicted and according to which most of the things were occurred and happened. जो भी भविष्यवाणी कर दिया करते थे वैसा ही हुआ करता था. लोग इनको भगवान का अवतार माना करते थे, सीताराम राजू. And he declared that all the resources on the earth, this is the gift of nature, this is the gift of God. ये भगवान ने हमें दिया है. There is no separation of any one government, any person. इस पे किसी एक का हक नहीं है. It means all the persons those are living in the forested area, they will use the resources of forest, they will use the resources as a natural resources. It was the situation, it was the demonstrated method in countryside area of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Awadh region. Okay. Next topic we will study Swaraj in the plantation. प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग जो हो रही थी लाइक टी एंड कॉफ़ी इन द गोटेम हिल्स ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश एंड दार्जिलिंग रीजन ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल, असम रीजन ऑफ इंडिया, यहाँ पर भी लोगों ने डेमोस्ट्रेशन किया था, बायकॉट किया था। ओके स्टूडेंट, वी विल स्टडी फर्दर इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच।